Cocoa Theobroma cacao L is one of Indonesia's main agricultural commodities and plays a vital role in the national economy. However, its productivity is often threatened by pests and disease. In addition, there is a shortage of agricultural experts, and many farmers face difficulties in accessing accurate and timely information for diagnosis and treatment. To address this, we aim to develop a web-based expert system that can serve as a virtual consultant for cocoa disease and pest diagnosis.
Next, the material of our innovation. The cocoa plant disease diagnosis system is a web-based expert system application developed using Next.js 13, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS to assist farmers and agricultural practitioners in identifying disease and pests in cocoa plants. The applications implement the certainty factor method to analyze 44 comprehensive symptoms and identify 15 types of disease and pests with a high level of accuracy. The system features an interactive interface built with UI and farmer motion for smooth animation, as well as data visualization capability using records to display diagnostic results in easy-to-understand charts and progress bars. For the method in our innovation, we start from the collecting literature review. This results in 9 identified cocoa disease and 6 pests. We then apply the certainty factor method, which combines expert and user confidence level. First, we calculate the initial certainty factor by multiplying the expert's value with the user's value. Then, if multiplying symptoms point to the same diagnosis, we combine them using a specific certainty factor formula. Finally, we convert the result into a percentage for easier interpretation.
The system, named Sistem Diagnosis Tanaman Kakao or Cocoa Plant Diagnosis System, successfully applied the certainty factor method to diagnose cocoa disease and pests. The homepage serves as the main entry point, providing a clear and user-friendly interface with navigation menus that allow users to access the diagnosis, history, and information page. It also gives a brief overview of the system purpose, ensuring that even first-time users can understand how to begin the diagnosis process. In this demonstration, we will input several symptoms into the cocoa plant diagnosis system along with their user confidence values. The symptoms are represented as G followed by their number, and the percentage indicates the user's level of certainty for each symptom. The selected symptoms are G4 60%, G9 40%, G40 80%, G27 80%, G11 100%, G8 60%, G12 40%, G23 100%, G13 40%, and G21 100%. After processing their inputs, the system generated a highest CF value of 0.728 or 72.8%, indicating root disease are as the most probable diagnosis. We validated the system using 15 test cases and compared the result with previous research. 14 out of 15 case match, giving a 93.33% compatibility rate, which shows competitive performance. The web interface includes a diagnosis page for selecting symptoms, a result page showing rank probabilities, a history page for tracking past diagnoses, and a description page with treatment recommendations. This design makes the system easy for farmers to use and understand. Overall, the cocoa plant diagnosis system provides fast, accurate, and accessible diagnosis, helping farmers manage cocoa plant health more effectively. We have successfully developed a web-based expert system to diagnose cocoa pests and disease using the certifactor method. The system integrates expert and user confidence levels, resulting in accurate and reliable diagnosis. It achieved a 93.33% compatibility rate compared to previous research, demonstrating strong performance. With its accessible web interface, the system helps overcome the lack of agricultural experts and supports farmers in making informed decisions. This approach has the potential to improve cocoa productivity and contribute to sustainable agricultural practice in Indonesia.